My dear students, competitive chemistry welcomes you. Karnataka set 2019. If you observe this question, you will be able to write whatever the question they ask. You see, match the following 2019 question. Phenol, para-nitrophenol, ethanol, picric acid. At the same time, 1, 2, 3, 4, here ABCD. pK 16, 0.78, 10, 7.4. This is the question. Okay. What they have asked, arrange correct matching. Phenol, pKa, how much? Para-nitrophenol, pKa, how much? You have to write. Ethanol, you have to write. Picric acid, you have to write. So, in this aspect, what I am going to discuss. First of all, let us go for phenol, para-nitrophenol, ethanol, picric acid. So here I have given structures also. Phenol. This is phenol. This is para-nitrophenol. This is ethanol, C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol, or ethanol, or methyl carbinol. Please note it. Next, picric acid, 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Trinitrophenol. I can say, you don't think picric acid 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. That is nothing but picric acid. Second position we have a nitro group. Third position, fourth position nitro group. Sixth position nitro group. So what is picric acid? 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. What I am going to say, this is phenol, this is also phenol, this is also phenol content. But here ethanol, ethyl alcohol, ethanol, C2H5OH. Ethoxide ion plus H plus. Actually, to be honest, ethyl alcohol reluctant to show, to convert ethoxide ion and releases H plus. According to substance which releases proton, according to Bronsted concept theory, which is acid, a substance has a tendency to release proton. Proton is nothing but H plus, which do not have electron, only proton, H plus. So, which releases H plus is called ethyl alcohol. But ethyl alcohol is reluctant to show, convert ethoxide ion. Ethoxide ion is not being stabilized by resonance. Please observe it. Ethyl alcohol, why ethyl alcohol less acidic? The reason is, ethyl alcohol is reluctant to show, convert ethoxide ion and releases H plus. If a substance releases H plus, then I can say, I have guts to say that is acidic character, that shows acidic nature. But in case of ethyl alcohol, does not convert ethoxide ion. Ethoxide ion is not being stabilized by resonance. They don't have any resonance structures, for which ethyl alcohol seems to prefer to be in ethyl alcohol condition. So it is more acidic or less acidic. In my words, it is less acidic, very less acidic. Okay. So next, phenol. Phenol, you know very well. Phenol releases H plus. Phenol releases H plus and converted to phenoxide ion, which is being stabilized by resonance. Please note it. Resonance factor dominates in phenol. resonance factor, you know the resonance structures, delocalization of electron. But in case of alcohol, you don't want to observe this type of resonance phenomena, for which I have best to say phenol is more acidic than alcohol. Why? In alcohol does not undergo ionization and releases H plus. It is not being stabilized by resonance with oxide ion. But whereas in case of phenol, phenol releases H plus and converted to phenoxide ion. This is phenoxide ion which is being stabilized by resonance, whereas electronic structures phenoxide being stabilized. So for which phenol prefers to undergo ionization and releases H plus and converted to phenoxide ion. Okay. So no doubt phenol is being stabilized by resonance and releases H plus. So definitely it shows acidic character. Okay. Next one, paranitrophenol, nitro group, NO2 group. NO2 group is nothing but minus I effect. Please note it. Electron withdrawing group, nitro group. Electron withdrawing groups, if they are in position of ortho or para positions, they show more acidic character. So what is NO2 group? NO2 is nothing but electron withdrawing group, first point. Second point, it shows minus I effect, inductive effect, minus I effect. So one trick that what I am going to say, minus I effect is directly proportional to the acidic character. Is minus I effect directly proportional to the acidic character. Minus I effect directly proportional to the acidic character. So the more the minus I effect, the more the acidic character. Okay. The more the minus I effect, the more the acidic character. So when compared to phenol, paranitrophenol is more acidic. Why? It has electron withdrawing group. It has a tendency to drag the electrons, for which this is electron withdrawing group. Because of minus I effect, it releases proton very easily. Here OH releases proton, the bond may likely very easily broken. So this is more acidic. Then this one, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Nitro group is nothing but electron withdrawing group. It shows minus I effect. Minus I effect dominates acidic character. The more the minus I effect, the more the acidic character. Because of minus I effect, releases proton. In phenol, we have OH group. So the bond between O and H will be weakened by minus I effect. The bond between O and H will be weakened by minus I effect. So one thing I came to conclusion. What is that? Ethanol less acidic among these four species because no resonance, no ethoxide ion, for which it prefers to be in the molecule, that is ethyl alcohol. So ethanol is less acidic, very less acidic. Less acidic. The next one. Who is less acidic? Ethanol is less acidic. The next one. Again, another trick is, if you observe this pKa values, the more the pKa value, the lesser the acidic character. Okay. So pKa 16, that means acidic character very less. What I already told, ethanol. So third match. Please note it. The more the pKa value, if pKa value is more, automatically acidic character decreases. So highest pKa value is 16. So ethanol shows very less acidic character. The next one, 10. So that is phenol. The next one, the lowest 0.78 picric acid. The next one, carbon. So now I came to conclusion. Phenol, among this 0.78 is the lowest value. So if the pK is lowest value, it shows more highest acidic character. So 0.78 is nothing but picric acid. Why picric acid shows more acidic character? In picric acid is nothing but 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Nitro group is there, minus I effect is there, minus I effect directly proportional to acidic character, for which I prefer to take 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. That is nothing but picric acid. So picric acid is lowest to pK value, highest acidic character. So picric acid I took 4, lowest to pKa, lowest to pKa, but acidic character highest. The lesser the pKa value, the more the acidic character. So picric acid number 1. The lesser the pKa value, the more the acidic character. The next one, 7.1. So what is that? pKa value 0.78, very less. So the lesser the pKa value, the more the acidic character. So I have taken picric acid is no doubt shows more acidic character. Then you take 7.1. 7.1, what is that? Paranitrophenol also nitro group is there. Paranitrophenol. So pKa, next one is picric acid, next one is paranitrophenol, number 2. Next one is 10 phenol. Next one is 16 ethanol, 3. So these are the 4. 4 means picric acid pKa 0.78. So lower the pKa value, the more the acidic character. First I have taken pKa, that picric acid. The next paranitrophenol 7.1. After 0.78 you have to choose only 7.1. So 7.1, that is paranitrophenol. The next one is 1 phenol, because phenol there is no nitro groups. Paranitrophenol we have nitro group. I have taken second. Phenol I have taken third. Last one is ethanol. So they have asked just pK value. Trick is you watch the pK value, then you have idea which is less acidic, which is most acidic. If you observe it, 0.78, simple trick, 0.78. So no doubt, picric acid is nothing but 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is more acidic. That is the trick. If you see it, 16 is the highest value. So the more the pK value, the lesser the acidic character. So ethanol are reluctant to undergo dissociation and convert H plus and ethoxide. Please note it. So this is the one step. Again, phenol I have mentioned, paranitrophenol I have mentioned, ethanol I have mentioned, C2H5OH I have mentioned, picric acid. Please note it. Ethyl alcohol does not undergo dissociation. It does not release H plus. Does not show any resonance. So ethyl alcohol last. The first one is picric acid. Phenol, paranitrophenol, ortho 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. So if you take 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, nitro group minus I effect directly proportional to the acidic character. So first this one, electron withdrawing group. Because of electron withdrawing group, the bond between oxygen and hydrogen weakened, for which proton releases very easily. The next one, highest acidic character. The next one, this is 1, this is 2. Next, this is phenol 3, this is 4. Least acidic character ethyl alcohol, but highest pKa value. Picric acid is highest acidic character, lowest pKa value. I think you have a very idea. Thank you all.